Jesse, here's your 347 small block Ford. Got done running it. Give you a description of this combination. Got a set of our cylinder heads on it. HR200s. Got Edelbrock air gap, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got the vintage front air on it. Nice setup. Front sump oil pan. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. I'll show you how it ran. Alrighty, 3600s, 402 foot-pounds of torque. Looks like a peak torque 438. Peak horsepower 487. So everything's good. We'll get her off there, getting the crank. Come your way. Have a great day.